Hey, do you feel like you're drowning in content all over the web? I feel like every single day I get someone that posts a video or posts to LinkedIn or sends me an email, and most of the content I legitimately want to watch and I want to read about, but I just don't have time to watch all of it. And so today I figured let's solve that problem with a small, simple AI agent that will watch YouTube videos for you, send you an email, and let you read on whether or not you want to go watch that video for yourself or not, taking the key points before you ever watch the video for yourself. We're going to build that on Mind Studio, so let's jump in. So here we are in Mind Studio's user interface, and I'm just going to come up here and click on New Agent, and we can get started. So, like I said, I really wanted to show you how easy it is once you understand how the software works to get an agent running really simply. So I'm not going to go into all the specific details on how to use Mind Studio today, but I want to show you how fast it is to get a little worker doing a little task repeatedly for you every day that can add really high value over time. So we'll start by coming in here and seeing what options we have for YouTube. You can see we can get information from a channel, we can get the transcript or the captions, and we can get the metadata of the video. So we'll start by going to a particular channel that you might be interested in. I've really been enjoying Nate B. Jones's YouTube channel just on AI news, so I'll go ahead and drop that in there. And then this will just be the variable that I use that contains that information, so we'll call it channel to keep it simple. Next, we saw that we can also pull metadata on the YouTube video, so we'll pull that out. And that video URL is going to come from the YouTube channel. So if I test the YouTube channel block, we can see what it's going to give us and go from there. This may look really crazy to you. This is really just simple JavaScript, a JSON object. And if you want to know more about that, you could drop that into any AI of your choice and it would explain it to you. But today, for the sake of the video, I'll just show you how we're navigating this, and we're coming to this video section. We want to pull the 0 position video, and we just want to pull the link for that video. So that's the channel variable, videos, at position 0, we want to pull the link. So we can come back to our caption, and we can say that channel variable I mentioned before, we want to get the videos out of it at the 0 position, and we want to get the link for that video. And we'll call that my video, just to keep it simple. Next, we want to actually pull the transcript, because the whole point of this is to have it watch this video for us and let us know if we think it's worth our time. So we'll put that same videos link that we talked about before into this as well, and we'll call this transcript, and we're good to go. It's really that simple. We'll start by making sure that it's actually working. So we'll put a simple generate text, and we'll say analyze the video and give me the top 3 most important points. And then for the video, it's going to have the channel context, it's going to have the video metadata that we talked about, and it's going to have the transcript. And it's really that simple. And we can see that it's going to display that to the user. So before we send it to an email, let's just test to make sure everything's working how we want it to. And we will test in the draft agent. And this is going to actually show us how it's going through each of these steps. So it's looked at the channel, it's gotten the link from the first channel, and now it's going to watch that video, and it's going to pull the transcript. And now that it's pulled that transcript, it's given us those 3 most important points. So let's see if it worked. We can see OpenAI's 3 strategic challenges. Enterprise inference is the profitability engine, and mental model problem threatens everything. So these are kind of the general things. Let's look at that first video and see if it at least makes sense. And sure enough, is OpenAI a bubble? So it is looking at that first video. It's doing exactly what we want to. And now we just wanted to send it to our email. So that's the final step of this process, is we'll go back and we'll have it send us an email. Email, we'll just call it YouTube update. You can see it's already sending it to my email. And we will give it the variable that we just made here. So instead of the output being displayed to user, we'll actually save it to a variable, and we'll call it YouTube summary. And it's really as simple as that, YouTube summary. And now when this runs, it'll send us that email directly to, or it'll send us that summary directly to our email. We can see that it sent us that email exactly as we were talking about it. So 3 most important points from the video and a summary of each of those points. Now we can do a lot more with our prompt to talk exactly about how we wanted to analyze it, what format we want to do, but I thought that this would just give you a quick overview of how simple it really is to get up and started with just a brand new idea from scratch. Awesome. I hope that shows you how simple it can be to get up and running with an AI agent. You don't need a super complex process or a lot of code. You can have a couple of simple drag and drop blocks, one call to a model, and you have an agent running for you that's doing a simple task on repeat so you don't have to anymore. Stay up to date with the latest news without worrying about hours on YouTube. That's what this channel is all about. I'm trying to get tools into your hands that are simple, repeatable, and will help you get hours back in your day that you don't have to spend in your business. You can spend on your business, with your family, or doing whatever else you love to do. If that sounds exciting to you, please subscribe below for more content like this every day. And if you want to get started with the platform I showed you, feel free to check it out in the comments below. Have a great day.